Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Today we embark on a journey inspired by the teachings of Buddha, guiding you into a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle and let go of any tension. Begin by taking a deep breath in, drawing the air slowly into your lungs. Hold it for a moment and then gently exhale, releasing any stress or worry. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more aware of this moment. Breathe in peace, breathe out tension. Continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, allowing your breath to guide you into a state of calmness. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light beginning to form there, representing the light of Buddha's wisdom and compassion. As this light slowly begins to descend through your body, feel it melting away any stress, any tightness. Let it soften your forehead, relax your eyes, and release your jaw. Feel it move down your neck, shoulders, and arms, bringing with it a deep sense of peace. As the light reaches your chest, focus on your heart center. Imagine this light radiating outwards, filling your entire being with love and serenity. With each breath, feel your heart becoming lighter, more open, and more at ease. Know that in this moment you are connected to a vast, boundless source of compassion and tranquility. Now, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or worries. Imagine them as clouds in the sky, passing by without attachment. You are the still, clear sky, unchanged by the passing clouds. In this stillness, embrace the essence of Buddha's teaching, to be fully present, fully aware, and fully at peace. Take this final minute to absorb this deep relaxation. Know that you can return to this state of calmness whenever you need. As you breathe in, anchor this feeling of peace within you. As you breathe out, carry it with you into the rest of your day. As we conclude this meditation, I want to leave you with a timeless teaching from Buddha. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Remember that true peace and relaxation are not found in external circumstances, but within your own heart and mind. You carry this peace with you wherever you go. Let it guide your actions, your thoughts, and your life. Take this gift of inner peace and share it with the world. Let the light within you inspire others to find their own tranquility. Thank you for being a part of this journey with Guided Meditation Voyage. Until we meet again, stay peaceful, stay mindful, and remember, you are the source of your own calm. Namaste.